Welcome. This is Krishnan from SS Homes. So today I'm going to take you on a virtual site visit to Sobha Sentosa. Sobha Sentosa is the new launch project which is at Panathur. Panathur is in south of Bangalore and the most awaited project. This project is adjacent to the Sobha Dream series in Panathur. It's a very large society there, and Panathur's most premium offering is from Sobha over here. So let's quickly jump into what we have here. So talking about Sobha Sentosa, it's coming up in different phases. There are 7 wings. So talking about Sobha Sentosa, it's an property which is built on the theme of the Sentosa Island. So you're going to experience Singapore living in your own Namma Bengaluru. So there's more bang for your buck here at Sobha Sentosa. Talking about the location Panathur. See, Panathur is in a location which is very well accessible from Whitefield, Marathalli, or be it Electronic City. All these places are accessible through your NH 44 and the outer ring road. The international airport is around 47 kilometers away. Panathur enjoys good railway connectivity as there are two close by railway stations at Karmel railway station, which is 6.3 kilometers away, and there is one at Belandur. There is an upcoming outer ring road metro line which is likely going to enhance and boost the connectivity to Panathur. So you are going to be in one of a great location, and Panathur is a wonderful location. You have a lot of prominent IT parks available there, and its close proximity to Whitefield and EPIP zone ITPL is just awesome. So Panathur as a location, there's a lot of advantages. If you see here, Kormangla is under 10 kilometers or 11 kilometers. Silkboard is around 10 and a half. Belandur is the closest. Then Marathalli, Sarjapur, Whitefield is 8.5 kilometers. Talk about KR Puram or Old Madras Road or east of NGF is 12 kilometers. So all these locations are easily accessible, and the outer ring road has opened up a beautiful drive for you. So get in touch with us to plan your site visit. You can call us on 9901140164. We will give you more details. We will help you plan your site visit and your booking over there. Uh, in terms of location, yes, you could check on the Google map as well. This project is just adjacent to Shobha Dream series. And now talking about the project per se, this is the elevation what you see here. Uh, Sentosa is coming up with 3-bed luxury apartments spread over 7.5 acres, and it's in 7 wings or 7 towers per se. Now, what is important to understand is there is going to be only one Sentosa, and only 533 select few can make it up to that. Are you going to be that? You got to decide it. Today, I am giving you an opportunity to know more and book your unit at the first price of the project. So, in case you're interested, you want to explore it, let's connect 9901140164. You have beautiful 3 bedrooms, large spaces, 1507 to 1800 square feet 3 bedrooms, starting at 1 point, it's there, 37 to 1.7 CR onwards. Now, if you see, the price trend of Panathur has been steady over the last couple of months. It has risen by around 4%. So it's a steady market over here where you're putting in. This is the master plan of our project. So if you see towards the left side, the gray portion, that's the Sobha Dream series. So in the beginning itself, on the main road, you have Sentosa coming up. See, these are some of the unique amenities which you can experience at Sobha Sentosa. You will be seeing the visuals. It's just awesome. This is your layout. Rooms are large. Vastu is good. So now you get some visuals of where and how Sentosa is. Butterfly Park. So if your spaces are really large with wonderful ventilations, you made it. That's what you look out for. Nice spaces can be designed. The Happiness Club houses for the 533 families. And this is your Moonlight Theatre. This is one of a kind, Super Tree Groove at Sentosa to give you the feel of Sentosa. Marina Bay Sands is a kids' play area for your kids to unwind. Fountain of Wealth. So a lot of detail has been gone into planning and conceptualizing the Merlin pool. So here some FAQs for you to quickly go through. So the starting price is 1.36 onwards. It's located in proper Panathur Main Road, Bangalore, Karnataka. The total area is 7.5 acres for Sentosa. Handover is in phases starting from 30th June 2026 onwards, goes up to 31st December 2027. And there are only 533 apartments in this project. So talk to us. Let's plan your site visit and booking. Call us on 99011 40164 78992 66001. This is Krishnan here signing off. See you soon. Thank you.